My journey to start from spiritual awakening from college lifestyle. When I was studying in college, that time I got a very wonderful association, and then I start from where if you want any kinds of progress and growth in your life, just work on it and come from your own comfort zone and follow your passion, interest. You have a faith or not. When you have a on faith and nobody can you help, my dear friends, just believe in yourself and work on yourself, and then you can see what's happened in your life. Just expand your knowledge with reading multiple books, listening audios forms. Nowadays it's very easy to consume and acquire knowledge and practice kindness in your life. This is the peace of mind